In front of me is OPPO Reno 13F, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings, scroll to hit Apps, access Default Apps and tap on Home app to apply Launcher Pro by clicking on it. Lastly, hit Allow All and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. To make some changes to your launcher, you can always go back to Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, you can go back to the same settings and tap on System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!